Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, as you all know, this is Distinct Forex, and you know what we do right here. We talk about forex and crypto trading. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the simplest way to use Trendline. Okay, the most valid way to trade trend lines. Most of us have been getting a losing trade just because we don't know how to use a trend line. Okay, you call yourself a price action trader, but you don't know how to use trend line. You don't know how to draw trend line. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining the secret of how you can draw a valid trend line on your chart. Okay, a valid trend line on your chart. Now let me tell you how you can do this as quick as possible. Okay, it's not too complicated. Now, as we all know, the market trend in an upward direction, downward direction, or sideways direction. Okay, so let me draw the structure of the market right now. Let me draw the structure of the market, the way market moves. Right, market move is up, down, right, up, down, and up. Right. This is an upward trend when the market is trending to the upside. Now, if I'm to mark a trend line, how do I mark my trend line? Now, for a trend line to be valid, it must have at least 2 touches. Okay, 2 touches. This point, these are the rules. Okay, and it must break structure. Okay, this is why most of us fail in trading. Okay, because we don't understand the basis. Price must break structure before a trend line can be valid. Okay, if it doesn't break structure, then it's not a good trend line. It's not a strong word. It's not a strong trend line. Okay, now let me mark this trend line. It's applicable to the downtrend also. Okay, because I don't want this video to be too long, so it must break structure. So if you don't understand what market structure is, okay, you can go to my previous video. I think I've made a video on that, so you can go there and watch market structure. Then you can come back and watch this video. Then you get a better understanding of what I'm saying. Now look at, for you to draw a valid trend line, first of all, it must have 2 touches, okay, which is this 1, 2, okay. Then other thing, it must break what? It must break structure at this level, okay. If you can't understand this basis, okay, trend line is a very powerful tool that you can use to make profit. Trend line alone, okay, because it will tell you direction of the market. It will also show you when market is trying to change direction in the market, right? It will also tell you when market is about to change direction. Now, this is an uptrend, right? Okay, this is an uptrend. This is the last structure, right, that broke out from this particular resistance. Okay, that was it. Okay, so if the market wants to stay in direction, it have to break through this level, right? You test it before you can look at what opportunity in the market. So if you have not watched my previous video, I've also make a video on how you can make entries in the market. Okay, how you can use your trend lines, because it's one of the tools that I always use to enter the market. Okay, you can go and watch my previous video. Is there how to use trend line to enter the market, where to enter from, and how you are going to trade the market profitably. So let's go to the chart. This is the 1 hour chart. So first thing you want to do is you want to see a break of structure, and it should be at the external trend, external structure. So this is the first break of structure. Okay. For what to do, I want to show you the chart how to draw this another break of structure, right? And I've told you that for a trainer to be valid, it needs to be to be 2 touches, and we are already getting 2 touches, so we can draw this point and this point as our this now becomes the trend line, right? This is the trend line. Now let me show you another example here. This one is a downtrend, right? So what happened in the market? You can see that from here the market broke structure to the downside here. Okay. Let me draw the two recent lows. It broke structure here. It's also now broke structure right here. What did I tell you? I said for a trend to be valid, it must have two touches and it must break what? A trend line. Okay. This is the trend line, right? Downtrend. For it to be valid, it must have at least two touches. You can see that. So this is just the most simplest way for you to what? To understand trend line. Those are the rules to respect trend line. So if you want to know how to trade with trend lines, you can go and watch my previous video on that. So I've also make videos on how you can watch trade trend lines, like how you can enter trade with the trend line, when to enter from, and everything. So you can go and watch my previous video on that one. Okay, so guys, if you know you've gained value for this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, stick to this channel and turn on the post notification bell so that whenever I drop a video like this for you, YouTube will notify you and you quickly come and grab the knowledge. Okay, so that's it, guys. See you in my next video.